Are you looking for the quickest and easiest way to blur faces in your video? With AVCLabs and Filmora, you can easily blur faces in videos using the most advanced technology available. Now let's start it with Filmora. First, upload the video to the program. Then drag the video to the toolbar below. Click the play button to preview the original video. Then select Face Off in the effect. Cover the entire video with the Face Off effect. Then you can see that all the faces in the video are mosaic, and you can also click here to choose other stickers that block the faces. But if you want to blur a specific face in the video, Filmora can't do it. Let's try AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Select Assign Faces in Face Blur. Here we can choose to scan frame by frame or fast scan. In order to save time, we choose fast scan this time. After the scan is complete, select the face you want to blur in the results. Here you can choose Mosaic, Blur or Custom. This time we choose to blur the face. Then add it to task and hit Export. At this point the video starts to process, and you can see that the faces of the specific people we selected have been blurred. That's 2 different ways to blur faces in video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us.